So here we have this VASAGLE bookshelf. Now in this video I'm going to put it together and then I'll give you a quick review. It comes with a few shelf boards, some metal pieces for the frame, some hardware to put it together, and an instruction manual. Anyway, it looks like this is going to be pretty simple to put together, so let me go ahead and time it and see how long it takes. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. That was super easy. I really like the way it came out, and it only took about 11 minutes. Anyway, the bookshelf is made out of 1/2-inch laminated boards that I got in the rustic brown color that are screwed into these 1-inch metal square tubes, and these square tubes have a durable dark gray powder coated finish on them. I really like the look of the shelf. It has a nice industrial design. The one I got has 6 shelves. It also has leveling feet and an X brace in the back, which are always nice to see. Makes it a really sturdy shelf. It's pretty solid, and it also came with this pack of straps to secure it to the wall just to make sure it doesn't fall over. Each shelf is rated to hold 20 pounds, and here's a 55-pound weight to show you that it can easily do that. I like how the sides on this are put together. It's just this single top U piece connected to these 2 bottom pieces. Made it really easy to put together. All I had to do was put in these 2 screws. Now, what I would have preferred on this to make it a little bit more heavy duty is to have some square tube pieces going across the bottom of each shelf to make them a lot stronger. That being said though, as you saw, each shelf can still hold plenty of weight. So if you want a relatively cheap, super sturdy shelf, then I don't think you can go wrong with this one.